Today, going to show you how to create a TikTok account in a very simple and easy way. If you're new and don't know anything, don't worry, just follow these steps. Let's start. First, open TikTok and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Login. Now here's where most beginners make mistakes. You have two main options: sign up with Google, Apple, Facebook, or Instagram, or create an account using email or phone number. Now, just tap on Continue with Google, then select your Google account. Now enter your date of birth. Now enter your name here. And that's it. You now have a properly created TikTok account. If this video helped you, be sure to drop a like, subscribe the channel, comment below. Done if you created your account. Thank you.